Hello guys, it's finally here. Let's unbox my MacBook Pro. I got it today from Amazon. Okay, so let's open it up. Here you have this thing that I have just to strip out. Two of them. And here we go. Ooh, that's the MacBook Pro. Okay, so here's the Apple. Just put this thing away. And here I have it. Okay, and let's see what else I have here. So it brings the cable, which matches the color of the laptop. Pretty nice. And here I have designed by Apple in California. I think it should be the paperwork, right? Yeah, guide and things like that. And a big power supply. Okay. For this big device, a big power supply. So this is the 16-inch model. I've been waiting for a while to buy this one because it has the M2 chip, so I can edit videos pretty fast using DaVinci Resolve, what I usually use. So let me just get this thing open. I just need to remove this paper here, and here we go, MacBook Pro. Pretty big. Okay, and here we go. That's the side that I have to open that way, right, with the Apple pointing there. And here we go. Whoa, did you hear that? It's already on and it's booting up. It brings the message, hello. So hello, beauty. And finally I have it, right? I'm going to use this one for editing videos because I need something that's fast to work with 4K videos, with effects and color grading, stuff like that. So that's my new laptop. And I'm going to use it and make more videos about it. And of course, edit videos for you guys with this big boy here, okay? So thanks for watching this video. I hope you get one like this because I deserve it. You deserve it. We are working for that, right? So go get yours.